Hello and welcome to Vice First. This video is about Looka AI, the online logo maker. In this video, we'll be discussing what Looka AI is, how to use it, and review of the platform. What is Looka AI? Looka AI is an online logo maker that uses artificial intelligence to help users create professional logos for their business. The platform is designed to be easy to use and provides users with access to a wide range of design tools and features. One of the key benefits of Looka AI is that it is a cost-effective way of business to create a professional logo without having to hire a designer. The platform provides users with a range of design templates to use from, as well as the ability to customize their logo with different colors, fonts, and symbols. How to use Looka AI? Using Looka AI is a straightforward process. To get started, simply head to the Looka AI website and create an account. Once you have logged in, you'll be taken to the platform's dashboard where you can start designing your logo. The first step is to enter your business name and select the industry you are in. This information helps Looka AI generate logo designs that are tailored to your business. You can then browse through the platform's design templates and select one that you like. Once you have chosen a design, you can start customizing it. Looka AI provides users with a range of design tools to help them customize their logo, including the ability to change the font, color, and layout. You can also add symbols and shapes to your logo to make it more unique. Once you are happy with your logo, you can download it in a range of different formats, including JPG, PNG, and SVG. Review of Looka AI. Overall, Looka AI is a fantastic platform for businesses looking to create professional logo quickly and easily. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to design a logo, regardless of their design experience. One of the key benefits of Looka AI is that it provides users with a range of design templates to choose from. This means that even if you are not particularly creative, you will still create a logo that looks professional and unique. Another benefit of Looka AI is that it is a cost-effective way to create a logo. Hiring a designer to create a logo can be expensive, but Looka AI provides users with an affordable alternative. In terms of drawbacks, some users have reported that the platform's customization options can be limited. However, for most businesses, Looka AI provides enough customization options to create a logo that meets their needs. In conclusion, Looka AI is an excellent platform for businesses looking to create a professional logo quickly and easily. The platform's user-friendly interface, range of design templates, and affordable pricing make it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. So why not give Looka AI a try and create a logo for your business today? That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.